Hello friends, today we will discuss about diplomacy types. There is one most important and most famous types of diplomacy, that is culture diplomacy. So let's start it. Today we will know about discuss about culture diplomacy. अब यहाँ पे कुछ जो है वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस दी गई है डिप्लोमेसी की, आज हम उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Cognitions, the initial prescriptions of cultural diplomacy requires each party to recognize the distinct culture dynamics of the others. This recognition efforts equal human rights on equal terms. अदर इसको अंडरस्टैंडिंग करते हैं दोस्तों। बताया जाता है कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग इसकी ज़रूरी है। पार्टीज आर आल्सो प्रिस्क्राइब्ड द स्टडी ऑफ फॉरेन कल्चर डायनामिक्स in order to gain an understanding of the traditions, history, language, and general way of life pertinent to the engaging party. During this process, parties may discover aspects of a foreign culture which they fundamentally disagree with or find abhorrent. These prescriptions do not require agreement with all aspects of a foreign culture, only for recognitions and understanding, however they are seen around the world. डायलॉग इसके क्या है वो देखेंगे। यूनिवर्सल टेनेट और बेसिक डायलॉग रिक्वायर one party to listen while the other speaks and vice versa. Culture diplomacy prescribes the observance of this tenet and to parties to draw on their accrued culture understanding when engaging in dialogue. This dynamic facilitate a dialogue that easily to collaborations. Parties may be choose to conduct this dialogue through an interpreter or by using a common language. Dialogue 2 है non-verbal communication also plays an important role in the process. Foreign interpretations of body language and other forms of non-verbal communication must be observed to avoid ambiguity during a dialogue. Dialogue number 3, there is another side to cultural diplomacy which leads to aggressive or unusual forms of dialogue, such as excessive intonations or decision to remain silent for long periods. During a meeting, this form of cultural diplomacy share a common platform with the collaborative form, as its use is premised on a cultural understanding that calculates the likely effect of its employment. कल्चरल एक्सचेंजेस इसके क्या है वो हम देखेंगे। कल्चरल एक्सचेंजिंग प्ले अ क्रिटिकल रोल इन द कल्चरल डिप्लोमेसी ऑफ अ गवर्नमेंट. फॉर द एग्जांपल, in the United States, the Bureau of Education and Cultural Affairs of the United States Department of State sponsor in whole or in a part many exchange programs such as the Fulbright program and the national and the international visitor leadership program. Exchange programs such as these seek to develop cultural understanding between citizens of different countries. Uses of cultural diplomacy हम देखेंगे। Cultural diplomacy can be employed in many ways and for various purposes. Civil society and by non-governmental organization and individual motivated by the opportunity to develop and encourage platform for mutual cultural exchange. Their activity could take the form of cooperation through the sharing of valuable professional information and networks. For example, in the context of academic exchange, international forums, and tourism. Other one is दी केस स्टडी अफ्रीकन यूनियन को हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे। कल्चर क्या है उनका। द अफ्रीकन यूनियन AU was formed as a result of a declaration by African heads of state in Sirte, Libya on 19 September 1999 to succeed the organizations of African unity. This declaration is commonly referred to as the Sirte Declaration. The inaugural assembly of the AIU was. द काज ऑफ स्टडी, इसकी स्टडी हम देखेंगे। अफ्रीका, द अफ्रीकन यूनियन इज एन एम्बिटियस अंडरटेकिंग टू इंटीग्रेट द कल्चरल, पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिक स्ट्रीम of an entire continent into a body that functions to secure peace and stability for the advancement of sustainable development. The UI function more or less along lines of European Union, but it is a far more ambitious undertaking as it aims to integrate a membership spanning 53 nations. Here with some slides we will share with you. यहाँ पे कुछ हमने आपके साथ जो है डिप्लोमेसी के हवाले से कुछ चंद जो उसकी टाइप्स थी वो हमने डिस्कस की थी, यानी उसके डिफरेंस हमने देखे थे, उसकी खुसूसियात को हमने बयान किया था। तो ये इंशाल्लाह हम आगे भी आप लोगों के लिए वीडियो बनाएंगे डिप्लोमेसी के ऊपर। शुक्रिया।